Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the bulk field creation feature works in Salesforce Tool Suite. So this feature is located under the Tools tab inside the bulk field creation tag. So when I select it, first thing I need to do is select the object. So I am selecting account object. I'm creating a checkbox field over here and I am giving it a label as field 1 and I am giving the default value as checked and I am giving some description and I'm not putting any help text over here and I'm assigning some profiles for this field also. I'm giving the read only and visible access to these two users and when I confirm it, these two profiles will get added over here. Here now I'm selecting permission set. So as of now, I don't have any permission set, so that is why it is not coming. But when I add this field will be added over here. Now create another field in the same account object. I am marking this as making it as uh, a text field. Let me search for text. Yeah, text field and giving it a label as field 2. I'm giving the length as 100 and description as description. And in the same way, I'm assigning some profiles to it. I'm giving some permissions. And when I select it, I make this as required. I'm not making this as required since I have some records in account object. And when I add it, add this filter, add this field. Now I have two fields to be added in the account object. When I click on this create field, now I can go to account object over here and I can check these two fields whether they are created or not. So I'm searching field and you can see I have these two fields created. So this is all about this feature. Thank you and have a nice day.